Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about triple integrals. The integration of dz you got about z, and we put the integration goal here. And we put the bounds from 0 to 1 minus s. So I will put this one go to z, number 0 go to z, and we have like this. And now s multiplied by number 1 and s. So this one we can write like this. And now we can put like this. So this one will multiply by this one. And we have the integration from 0 to b over 2. So we put cosine y dy cone here. So the integration of s, that is about s squared over number 2. This one we have s to the power of 3 over 3. So we put number 0 and number 4 cone here. The integration of cosine y, we have sine y. So we put number 4 cone here, number 0 cone here, b over 2 cone here, and number 0 cone here. So this one we got negative 40 over number 3. This one we have number 1. And we got negative 40 over number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.